Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are reading unit number 7, Gathering Leaves. Students, in previous lecture you learned the use of present continuous tense to show an action that has been planned for in future. Today we are going to learn the use of verbs used to and would. We use the verbs used to and would to express past habits. माजी की आदतों को बयान करने के लिए हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब इस्तेमाल करते हैं। कौन कौन से? यूज टू एंड वुड। वुड इज द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ विल। वुड इज द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ विल। नेक्स्ट इज वी यूज द वर्ब विल टू एक्सप्रेस द प्रेजेंट हैबिट्स। विल का इस्तेमाल हम करते हैं हमारी मौजूदा आदतों को बयान करने के लिए। See the examples. The farmer used to ride the horse wagon to the market, but now he drives a truck. Farmer horse wagon को राइडिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल किया करता था, but now he drives a truck. लेकिन अब वो ट्रक चलाता है। In the past, the farmer would take his children to the market on Sundays. माजी में फार्मर अपने बच्चों को हर संडे को मार्केट ले जाया करता था। यू कैन सी इन बोथ एग्जाम्पल्स द यूज ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज टू एंड वुड इज डन टू शो और एक्सप्रेस द पास्ट हैबिट्स और पास्ट एक्शंस। सी द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल related to will to express the present habit. The children will attend डांस क्लासेस एवरी संडे। बच्चे हर संडे को डांस क्लास अटेंड करेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स कम ऑन एक्टिविटी। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज टू, वुड और विल। वी हैव टू फिल ऑल दिस ब्लैंक्स विद द help with helping verbs used to, would or will. See the first sentence, student. When I was a child, I eat a lot of ice cream. When I was a child, I used to eat a lot of ice cream. जब मैं बच्चा था तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आइसक्रीम खाता था या खाया करता था। So this sentence is showing my past habit or your past habit. So for the past habit, we will use the verb used to. See the second sentence. We can also use the verb would all in this sentence. See the second sentence. The ballerinas change into their tutus 2 hours before their performance. The ballerinas will change into their tutus 2 hours before their performance. See the third sentence. When he was living in Australia, Hugh jogged every morning. When he was living in Australia, Hugh used to jog every morning. This sentence is showing habit of Hugh to jog every morning. So we will use the verb used to here in this sentence. See the fourth sentence. The children brush their teeth before going to bed. The children will brush their teeth before going to bed. In this sentence you can see the present habits are expressing. So the helping verb will be used here. See the fifth sentence. Dexter played the guitar but now he plays the drums. Dexter used to play the guitar but now he plays the drums. Dexter गिटार बजाया करता था लेकिन अब वो ड्रम्स बजाता है. So this sentence is also showing the habit of Dexter or his repeated actions. So we will use the helping verb used to in this sentence. See the last sentence of this activity. When I lived in the city, I go to the movies once a week. When I lived in the city, I would go to the movies once a week. This sentence is also showing repeated action. So we will use the helping verb would. We can also use the helping verb used to in this sentence. Students, the activity related to the use of verbs used to, and would is your homework at the page number 37 in your English workbook. The activity is circle the correct verbs in the brackets. You have to choose the correct verb according to sentence.